Welcome back to Wheelhouse, where the bikes are loud, the chrome is bright, and the road is always calling. Today we're talking about a machine that's all attitude and classic chopper style, with real-world reliability. The 2026 Honda Fury. The Fury has always been about one thing. First presents that long, low stance, the stretched front end, the skinny front wheel, and that clean, minimal bodywork. Make it look like a custom build the second you see it. Park it anywhere outside a cafe, at a meet or at a gas station, and people will look twice. Honda nailed the silhouette, and that's why the Fury keeps pulling riders in year after year. But the real story is that it's not just a looker. The Fury brings that chopper vibe. Without the typical custom bike headaches, you get a big V-twin cruiser experience that's built to start reliably, run consistently, and handle everyday riding without drama. It's the kind of bike you can actually live with. Ride it to work, cruise it on weekends, or take the long way home. Just because the sunset looks right on the road, the Fury feels relaxed and steady. It's not made for aggressive corner carving, and it's not pretending to be a sport bike. That stretch geometry is designed for style and straight line stability, and it rewards smooth riding. Roll on the throttle and the V-twin delivers the deep, satisfying pull that cruiser riders love. Strong down low, calm at speed, and perfect for cruising through town or holding a comfortable pace on open roads. The seating position keeps you low and laid back, and that adds to the whole experience. You're not perched up high. You're sitting down in the vibe, looking out over that long front end like you're aiming at the horizon. For short to mid-length rides, it's an easy, comfortable setup. If you're planning big highway days, small upgrades like a more supportive seat or a windscreen can make a big difference. And the Fury has plenty of customization options to make it feel like it was built for you. Who is the 2026 Honda Fury for? It's for riders who want chopper style without chopper maintenance. It's for the rider who cares about design, stance, and sound. Someone who wants a bike that feels like a statement every time it rolls out of the driveway. And it's for anyone who wants that custom look, with Honda dependability behind it. That's the 2026 Honda Fury Bold. Clean and built to be ridden, not babysat. This is Wheelhouse. If you enjoyed this, drop a comment. Would you keep the Fury stock? Or would you build it out with your own custom touches? Subscribe for more Ride Safe, and we'll see you in the next one.